Where is everybody?
Nigel's leaving, Do. It's just us.
Nick, I need you to get in the car and head over. I'll track you on the computer. Take Dog's body downstairs, she can drive.
Okay. 3 minutes away.
All right, when you get there, just stay calm. No big dramatics. Don't alert him until you arrest him.
Hang on, is that... We've just passed him. Driving in the opposite direction.
Turn around.
We're pursuing him. He's going down Carnforth Street. He's seen us, he's speeding up.
Don't lose him.
He's going towards the seafront.
Take the next left. You should be able to head him off.
That's him.
What was that? Nikesh? Are you okay?
Arthur Montgomery, I'm arresting you for the murder of Jamie Phelps. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be used in evidence. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
This interview is being recorded and may be used in evidence at a later date. We are in interview room 3 at Beltonfield Police Station. The date is the 26th of October 2019. The time, by my watch, is 4:42 p.m. I am DC Nikesh Reddy. Also present is DS Callie Pritchard and Arthur Montgomery. He has chosen not to have a solicitor present.
There's no need. I am willing to cooperate fully with your investigation and clearing my name.
Well, that's nice to hear, isn't it, DC Reddy?
Just lovely.
I thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Montgomery. I'm not sure that was my colleague's experience earlier when he arrested you, but perhaps we can put that behind us.
Mr. Montgomery, we know you met Jamie Phelps at Dreamers Cliffs on Tuesday morning. You've been identified by Jamie's son, Pip, and we also have photographic evidence that places you in the area at the time of Mr. Phelps's death.
Did you call the meeting, or did he?
Jamie called me, said his business had been hacked. He was concerned his devices were being monitored and would I meet him at the cliffs. We met. I told him I couldn't bail him out. He seemed to be broke. And I'm afraid he jumped.
He jumped?
Yes. Well, stepped off, really. Cowardly thing to do.
And you didn't think to mention this when we spoke to you on Tuesday?
Well, that was an error, but I wanted nothing to do with it. Stuff like that leaves a nasty smell.
Mr. Montgomery, did Jamie Phelps's body hit the water or land on the sand?
I don't know. Didn't look. Rather squeamish.
So then, after witnessing this suicide, you headed back down, met a fan, took a selfie, hopped back in your car and drove off.
That's about right. Look, the selfie. These people, it's always easier to just do it. They badger you otherwise and take one anyway, and it can all get rather unpleasant.
You were smiling in the photo.
One does.
Mr. Montgomery, you don't need to waste your time making up a story. We know you killed Jamie Phelps. We know you pushed him off the cliff, sent a text to his wife, and chucked the phone in after him. The phone was dry, you see, the body was wet. We also suspect that it was you that paid the ransom on the malware, taking the details from Jamie's phone.
Why did you do it, Mr. Montgomery? Was Jamie Phelps a threat to you?
I have nothing more to say.
Well, that's a shame, after all that talk of cooperation. I wonder, was there something in the file that was hacked, something you didn't want to make public? Did Jamie Phelps maybe look after something else for you, other than money? Drugs? Sex?
Of course not.
You're a chef, right? You use cooking knives.
What are you saying? I stabbed Jamie? Cut his throat?
No. I mean, what do you do to your knives to make them really clean?
I wiped them, of course.
And you didn't think to wipe the phone before you threw it off the cliff? Fingerprints, Mr. Montgomery.
Yes, fingerprints, but how do you know they're mine?
Your cookbook should come in handy if we can match the fingerprints.
Okay. Let me explain.
I don't think I've ever met someone who likes the sound of their own voice so much.
Unusual in a murderer. Are you ready? I want my chicken korma.
There's a recipe for that in Montgomery's cookbook.
Oh yeah? Good job hanging on to that. Smart move for once.
Very funny. Come on, let's go. But you ain't ordering a korma.
What? I like korma. Yep. Yep, okay, we'll look into it. Looks like you've got your wish, Nick. There won't be any korma. We've got more work to do.